All right, so let's start this short answer. And so I'm going to go to inverse t and under distributions. And I'm going to have degrees of freedom of 11 for 95. And I get 2.20. Remember to go to 2 alpha places. Okay, so here, this is not a confidence interval. So I am going to put in 0.1, and I'm going to put in 72 because that is my degrees of freedom. And I get 1.29. And here I'm going to put in, go to my confidence interval, and I'm going to put 1 minus 0.985 with a degree of freedom of 124. I'm just getting silly now, aren't I? And I get 2.20, 2.20, because I got 2.195, so this changes to a 2. Okay. Okay, number 8, let's write the confidence interval here. I highlighted the important numbers. So my average is 23,500 plus or minus my t-star, which I have to look up, 3,900 divided by the square root of 100. So now I'm going to go find t-star. So I'm going to go to distributions, and I'm going to put in 0.01 divided by 2 because there's a 99% confidence interval. But my degrees of freedom are 99. And I get 2.63. Okay, so I'm going to go put these numbers into my calculator, and I'm going to get my interval. Okay, so I found my interval, and so now I'm going to write out my interpretation. We are 99% confident that the true mean kilometers an automobile is driven annually in Virginia. In Virginia is 22,476 to 24,524 kilometers. All right, I think you guys are really good at that. All right, so for 99, I put all this into my calculator, and I'm hoping that I put it in right. The one thing that I want to say is that my confidence interval when I put it in was 0.999, right? So they asked for the formula. So it is the mean 0.9255 plus or minus my t-star, which is 0.08 divided by the square root of 20. Okay, to find my t-star, my interval is 0.86 to 0.995, which is essentially 1. And my units is cadence? Really? Cadences? All right, so now I'm going to go find my my t-star. This is the number that I'm going to put in for my alpha. So 0.001 divided by 2, and my degrees of freedom is 19. And I get 3.88. Okay? So we are 99.9% confident, but we're really sure, aren't we, that the true mean cadence of healthy men is between 0.86 to 0.99, and I don't know what units is. I'm going to say cadence. All right.